Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply custom formatting to the subject line in your Gmail emails. Let's begin. Once you successfully open your browser, I want you to look for this, right? It's going to be a Chrome extension, Formatted Email Subject Lines by Cloud HQ. Click on that, then make sure to add this extension to Chrome. It might take a few seconds. It will refresh your page and it will show that it has been successfully added. Now you will have the option to customize everything in here. You can close that, go to compose a new message, and over here on the subject line, we now have the option to click over here, style subject. Okay, I'm going to type subject, click on that, and I will have various options that I can actually choose from here. Okay, for example, I'm going to click on this bold text, then there you go. It shows in here created and formatted by Cloud HQ. This is how you can easily apply custom formatting to the subject line in your emails. Mhm. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.